Nnamdi Kanu opens up on the collection of bribe to suspend sit-at-home order. Lawyer reveals. Nnamdi Kanu's legal counsel Aloy Ejimakor has weighed in on the recent crisis rocking the pro-secessionist group, the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB. Politics Nigerian gathered that the group is having a bitter leadership battle as some members are accusing Kanu's lawyer of collecting bribes to suspend the Monday sit-at-home in the southeast announced to protest their leader's detention. In a tweet on Saturday evening, Ejimakor wrote, "Does it make any sense to say that the lawyers collected money to suspend the sit-at-home? Do the lawyers have such powers? Can't you see that these allegations are aimed at setting the House against itself? Shine your eyes, be smart, and separate the apples from the orange." That is just it. See, the people passing this message are those marauders that has been given the chance to come into the IPOB members to cause separation, to cause disaster, to cause problems in between the IPOBs. Those are the people that you see that are passing this message. Do you understand? Those are the people that you see that are passing this message. So, my IPOB members, you can see what we are seeing. Nnamdi Kanu is the one that gave the order, and he knows why he gave the order. He did not collect any bribe, neither did the lawyer collected any bribe. Even if Nnamdi Kanu gave that order or the lawyer gave that order, is it not okay? Is it not right? Is it bad? Has what they said now a wrong thing? It's the truth. It's the truth and nothing but the truth. Nnamdi Kanu thought of it. He reasoned, he thought, he think about it, he thought of it. That the time hasn't come when you should put up that practice is when I am going for my trial. Then I will appreciate it. Then I will appreciate it. So I don't expect us to start, challenging issues or challenging Nnamdi Kanu on this matter. That is the reality. That is the humble truth. Do you understand? So don't allow yourself to be used. Don't allow yourself to be moved. These people are just moving you people left and right, deceiving you people, lying to you people, making you people to be deceived. But now, aside from this, they have to use money to set you people up in Radio Biafra, and you people started fighting for money. What is the problem? You people supposed to be focused on how to get Nnamdi Kanu released, and you're there causing havoc. What is the problem? It is because of the Biafrans that Nnamdi Kanu is in detention, fighting for your freedom. Instead of you to stand by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you are still messing up. You're messing up. This is what Nnamdi Kanu's successor is talking about. That's what's his name? Ekpa. Ekpa is talking about this, and that is the reason why, till this very time, I still throw my support for Simon Ekpa. He is the best person to succeed in Nnamdi Kanu as far as I'm concerned. I don't know. He's the best person. He's the best person so far to succeed in Nnamdi Kanu, to represent Nnamdi Kanu, to speak on behalf of Nnamdi Kanu. If there is any person to represent Nnamdi Kanu, to speak, to sit on the seat of leadership in that Radio Biafra, to replace Nnamdi Kanu, is Simon Ekpa, because he is the person that I personally think or see that have that Biafran spirit. To speak without fear, to speak without favor, fear or favor. Do you understand? That is the truth. Let's call a spade and tell ourselves the truth. Do you understand? So I don't know. The people instigating you people, instigating, trying to cause confusion in IPOB are those maridas that have been sent by Buhari to come and cause confusion. Don't forget that their first and their initial plan was to dissolve IPOB. Was to first of all arresting Nnamdi Kanu, then key in into the group and cause confusion. Because to them, they believe that the IPOBs are not strong. Oh my God. IPOB, please remain resolute. Nnamdi Kanu need you now than ever. This is when you are needed by Onyendu, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu have sacrificed for you. So you try and sacrifice for him too. You try and stand for him too. You try and support him too. Don't get yourself deceived. Do you understand? Don't get yourself deceived because Nnamdi Kanu needs you. He needs you. Do you understand? So let us begin to do things earlier before now. Okay, because there is nothing that can be more important than now. All right. So my listeners and my friends, I use this medium to invite you on this very platform. I want to appreciate you. I want to appreciate you on your very contribution and opinions. Many times that you have been supporting us, leaving your comments behind. I appreciate you. I appreciate you handsomely well. Okay, you have been doing well. Okay, you just keep on with the fire burning. Okay, until Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released. This is one of the reasons why this very channel was created. Do you understand? So please click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos, and please don't forget to speak when we are needed. You see, one thing about this very issue is that there is nothing that can be hidden under the sun. Okay, nothing can be hidden under the sun. The truth must be revealed. Okay, thank you. Catch you.